evening to my lecturer, and hi everyone. My name is Siti Nur Hazira binti Imam Hamdan, a student from University Putra, Malaysia. So here is my individual assignment project Planting the Plants for course PRT 2009, Agriculture and Life. So now let's start it. The material that we need to use are cutting board, knife, leaf of withered vegetables, water spinach seeds, 500 grams of brown sugar, plastic container, Tupperware, clothes, a piece of A4 paper with a rubber band to cover the plastic container, and the last one is the cocoa peat, which is the medium that I will use to plant water spinach. So now let me start with the first part. First, put the seeds in a Tupperware, soak it in the water, and leave it for 6 hours. After 6 hours, remove the soaking water and place the seeds in a cloth. Then fold the clothes and place in a Tupperware with a little wet of clothes and seeds to give moisture to the seeds to germinate. For the second part is to prepare fermented plant juice. First, we need to chop the leaves into small pieces and put it in a container. Then mix 500 grams of brown sugar and mix the mixture well. Next, cover the container with A4 paper and secure it with a rubber band. Store the container in a cool, dry, shady place and wait for 7 days. Next part is the preparation of planting. First, make a hole in the bottom of the plastic cup and fill it with a cocoa peat. Then sow the germinated seeds into each plastic cup and cover slightly with a cocoa peat again. Don't forget to water the plant. After finish is place the plants under the sunlight. So now let's get back with the fermented plant juice. So this is a result after 7 days. As we can see, it changed color from green to yellow. To get the remaining extract juice, we must squeeze it as many as can. Collect the fermented extracts and preserve in dark color container. Now we move to the preparation of a simple hydroponic system from a recycled materials. First, make a hole in corkboard with the suitable distance in order to insert plastic cup of plants. By the way, I'm so glad here because my father helped me in this project. Thanks, Dad. For next part is pour the organic fertilizer solution, which is mixture from 5 ml of fermented plant juice with 4 liters of water. Then put the plants in every hole to apply on the organic fertilizer solution. So here is the result height of water spinach for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, and week 7. After 7 weeks of planting, this means that water spinach can be harvested. After harvest, don't forget to feed the water spinach roots, and it is done and ready for good. From this project, the first problem I encountered was the slow growing spinach seeds, which is after a second day. It still doesn't germinate. So I decided to pour more water to give the seeds achieve a healthy moisture level. The second problem I encountered was the very bad smell problem in organic fertilizer solution, which is very worrying, will inhibit the growth of my crops. So that I decided to change to the new organic fertilizer solution every week in order to reduce bad smell and give enough nutrients to the crops. So far, that's all the problems that I encountered, and in the meantime, I'm really grateful because I can solve this problem in a short time and achieve a good result in this spinach cultivation. Lastly, from my point of view of this project was giving me satisfying experience because I learned how to take care of my own plants by applying the right techniques in others to counter the problems. Other than that, this project is very helpful in nurturing the younger generation to have interest in agriculture and love of green plants. Remember, the power of planting can benefit our mental health as well as physical health. That's all from me. Thank you.